today I'm trying to have a little bit of a productive but also chill day, see if I can balance both. This morning I went out for a walk. I've been going out for a walk most mornings this summer just because I want to enjoy the nice weather. It's a bit of exercise and it's always just a little bit more quiet in the morning, which I really like. And then on the way home I was gonna pick up some groceries, but I decided against it, and I will do it this afternoon though because I do need food for the week. And then I came home, I got ready, I washed my hair, and now I'm ready to get on with my day. Today's video is sponsored by Zubi Halo. This magical little device is a Zubi Halo hair dryer. It is a beautiful bright white hair dryer, and the first thing that I noticed about it when I picked it up for the first time is how lightweight it is. It's not very heavy at all, which is great if you have to be holding it up to do your hair, and I really like that. It also comes with 3 attachments and of course the instructions on how to use each attachment. To start with, I'm going with no attachment because without the attachment that is the quickest way to dry your hair, but then I will follow up with this one to style it. So let's get to it. I just had to re-wet my hair a little bit because I let it air dry a little too long. I have naturally quite wavy, almost curly hair, and I do prefer blow drying it. I know that there's like the whole curly hair method thing. I've tried, it just takes a lot of commitment and I do not have that commitment in me, so I prefer drying my hair with a hair dryer. When I do, I just pop in this product from Kerastase, which I really like, and then I also brush my hair with this thing. I actually don't know where this is from. My mom gave this to me, but I'm gonna do these 2 things and then I'm gonna dry my hair. As I said before, this is the Zubi Halo hair dryer, and what makes this hair dryer different is it uses a light care technology to help dry your hair. A lot of other hair dryers will use a really hot, harsh air to dry your hair. Essentially, it just bakes your hair and it causes a lot of damage. The Zubi Halo dryer actually uses a lower temperature. However, it doesn't sacrifice any drying time by doing so, and obviously a lower temperature is much better for your hair. The light care technology allows the water on the surface of your hair to dry while leaving the inside of your hair hydrated and healthy. You can see the colored lights here on the end of the hair dryer. Not only is it functional, but it's also really pretty as well, and that is totally my vibe. Anything that's functional and aesthetic, I love it. As I mentioned before, it comes with 3 attachments. Having no attachment is the fastest way to dry your hair, and you use this on the care or the fast setting. There is the styling attachment, and you use this on the styling setting. There is the diffuser for curly hair, and you use this on the fast setting. And then there's also a gentle air attachment, which is for a sensitive scalp, and you also use this one on the fast setting. If you would like to know more about the Zubi Halo hairdryer, then I will have a link and all the info in the description. I'm partway done. My hair is a little floofy. This is just what happens when you have curly or wavy hair. Let me know if you're in the same boat as me. It can be really frustrating. I am going to be using this attachment now. Their attachments are magnetized, so it just clips on. And then for this one, I'm going to be using the style setting. My hair is done, it is all dry. I am gonna just clip it back though so I can get a little bit out of my face. It's nice and fresh and soft, and I am ready to get on with my day. I just need to get it out of my face so I can go and do all of my chores. Like, I really need to wash my bedding and do some clothes washing. Let's do this bedding. I have a few pieces of clothes that I do need to hang up and get out of the way, but let's wash my bed sheets so that I can start the week so fresh. I'm going to make another coffee. I'm going to make it decaf though because I do not need any more caffeine. Apparently I have no pods left in here. Do you remember like a week ago when I organized my drawer? Yeah, I bought coffee pods and now it's disorganized again. These ones are the decaf ones. I will take this little cup. I also really need to sort this cupboard out because I'm running out of space. It's been on my to-do list for a while. I will do that actually in my next video. I'm gonna do a fridge clean out and just a whole cleaning video. That definitely needs to be cleaned in there as well, so. I recently bought some kitchen stuff off Amazon. I got these things, which are called food huggers, and you basically use them over the top of jars or containers that you want to seal after you've opened them, or even on food. I got a pack of 4. I'll just grab the other one out of the fridge. This is the 4th one, and basically I have it stuck to the last part of a red onion, and it keeps the food fresh. And they come in different sizes, and I just thought it would be a cool way to save some of my food. So that's what I got. I don't know how I feel about them yet. It's tough when food is constantly different sizes, and this one doesn't look like it did very well in the dishwasher. It's kind of faded and white, but these ones are totally fine. But I'll have them listed down below. I actually have new Amazon shop fronts for the United States, Canada, and the UK. If you are from any other country, I think you can click the links and you will be redirected to your country, but I have a whole bunch of different categories of the different things that I own or that I like off Amazon, so I'll leave those linked down below. But if you've had the food huggers, let me know what you think of them. I just remembered I have a free large pizza that expires today, so I just ordered lunch. It will also be my dinner. I think I got the chicken club something or other, I don't know, but I'm so hungry, so I can't wait till it's ready. In the meantime, I'm going to go and get my washing out of washing machine, put on another load of clothes, and continue on with my Sunday chores. I recently got one of these satin sleep bonnets. It's reversible, so it's like kind of a nice bronze color on one side and a champagne color on the other. And I've been sleeping in it. I look absolutely ridiculous, but hopefully it's doing wonders for my hair. I also have silk and satin pillowcases as well, but what am I gonna do? I think I might put the sheets into the dryer because I wanna hang out the clothes, but I will hang out the pillowcases. Just the sheets can go in the dryer. I got my pizza, it looks so good. I also got myself a Diet Pepsi. And you know what I'm gonna do while I eat my pizza? I am going to finish watching the rest of the second Zombieland movie. My TV has been so slow lately. Yeah, Netflix. So anyways, I watched the Zombieland series last night and I made the mistake of watching this one, which is the second one, first, ages ago, and I didn't realize there was 2, but there's 2. So I went back and watched the first one last night. I'm gonna finish watching the second one again. My sheets have finished drying, so I'm gonna make the bed and then I think I'll head out and get some groceries. Bed is done. It's feeling very nice and fresh in here. I've gone mostly white bedding with some black pillows. I don't know, I've spent weeks trying to figure out what I need to do in here, but I took the green out and I've replaced it with black. Anyway, I'm gonna go and get some groceries because I need some food for the week, and then when I get back, I am going to settle in and have a really chill Sunday night. So let's get out of here. groceries. I didn't get that much. I have a feeling I've probably forgotten a few things, but I got the main things, at least a couple days worth of meals anyway. So I have some spring onions, grape tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, steak, tomatoes, potatoes, red onion, cucumber, ham, cheese, baby spinach, bread. It doesn't really look like a lot, does it? It'll get me through a few days, a few meals of lunch and dinner, and then I can always pick up some more groceries midweek. Besides, I have the pizza to eat tonight, and yeah, anyways, can check that off my list. I'm gonna put this away and get comfy.